Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Sierra Leone. So first of all, we need to find whether PayPal is available in Sierra Leone or not. And in order to do it, you will have to simply come on this page. I will put the link of it down in the description so you can use that link. Now once you are on this page, simply press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard, and here you need to simply search for Sierra Leone. Now as you can see that it is available, so click on this link and it will redirect you on the PayPal's home page. So this page can be accessible from this country. So click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen and select your region again. So over here you need to click on this drop down menu and select your country again, then click on get started. Now provide your email address here and press next. On the next page, you will have to simply fill out a form in which you need to provide your first name, your last name, and create a strong password for your account. You may also be asked to provide the debit card details or payment details. So provide those, and this way you will be able to easily create your PayPal account from Sierra Leone. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.